welcome back to my channel. This is my 1 month review of the Fenty Skin. Let's get into it. So I want to make it a habit of always coming back 1 month later to tell you guys how a product is benefiting me, or how's it working out, am I still using it, what's the deal. So with Fenty Skin, oh my god, I can't talk today. With Fenty Skin, I would say this, I'm gonna rate it probably a 8 out of 10. Only because the fragrance is just like too much. But I will say I haven't gotten any new breakouts, none whatsoever actually. I actually have no foundation on, just to have my eyebrows, got a little bit of mascara, some lip gloss, and that's it. I literally wash my face with the cleanser, then I follow up with the toner, and then the moisturizer. And I put on a little bit of lip gloss and maybe mascara. I don't even do my eyebrows, and I'm done. My skin is like very, I would say, dry to normal skin. I don't get really oily easily, so the moisturizer lasts all day without it feeling oily or gunky or feel like something is on my face. So I do like that. I like that it gives me like a supple look. I actually have the moisturizer on now, and I like the fact that it's SPF. Here I live in Texas, so the sun is always beaming, so always out, and we are always out either working out or going to and from the store, things like that. So I think the SPF is really important. I will say the toner, I really don't know what it does because I've never used a toner before. But I feel like my skin is a little bit more supple or plumper, firmer. I don't even know what this does, but oh, it says pore refining. But I don't think I even had any pores before, so honestly I would say it does what it does. And this is a month later. This is how much is in the bottle still, and this is a month later. They give you a lot of product in each bottle, so I will say it's worth the $90, just because if you don't wear makeup and you just want an everyday moisturizer and face and skin routine, I would go with the Fenty Beauty, because it gives you a nice routine, and it gives you the supple look that you're looking for of the dewy skin. And yeah, I would say it's worth it. Invest it if you want to, but I honestly feel like they'll come out with some samples later that are smaller versions if they haven't already. I don't know, but I would say if you're teetering on getting it or not, where they're dishing out the $98 or not, I would probably wait till they come out with little testers and little travel size to see if you really like it. But for something that is 3 products that work together, I will say it is pretty much worth it to get it all bundled in one, instead of going to this company to get this cleanser and to get this for this toner, and it's too much. I like the fact that it was bundled all into one, and they didn't give me the option of like, oh, let me get this and that side, that take the guesswork out of it. They said, girl, you need this whole package. So I got the whole package, and I love it so far. I have no complaints. I have not had any breakouts. It's just the fragrance for me is a little off-putting, but you know, it gives me a little fragrance. I don't even put on perfume after, because it has its own fragrance, which is a plus. Ding. So yeah, if you're thinking about it, and if you have the money, do it. Till next time, peace, peace.